new sign for the entrance of what is going to be the name of my tiny house. And yeah, I came up with it. Ho'oponopono means it's a Hawaiian prayer for forgiveness for yourself, and it's just something that I really think a lot of us could use is forgiveness. So I found that sign probably maybe a year and a half ago at Goodwill, and I had it out on the floating tiny house forever, and I was going to incorporate it out there somewhere, but it fit perfectly here with the vibe and the colors that I already had going on here, so I just stenciled the name on it and stuck it on a piece of wood that I already had out front. And yeah, that being said, I have another little project that I wanted to do with the hammock that I put up. What is up, guys? So as you've probably seen in some of my other videos, I have put up this awesome hammock here to sit down and relax on. Chilling in the hammock where it's nice and breezy. I think that's a song. If you know the song that's from, oh, laying in a hammock where it's nice and breezy, right? Goes something like that. Anyways, I've was sitting around thinking how nice it would be to have some sort of canopy up here. So I had an idea to create, I don't know how I explain this, but some sort of trellis and put pieces of wood across. Let me turn you around. Going across underneath from like here to here, and put it all the way down this top beam here, and then create some sort of canopy shade on top of it with either I have a triangular canopy shade that I was thinking about putting up there, or just putting like a bunch of plants to create some shade, which the plant thing is a really awesome idea, but right now it is getting to be 90 degrees here, and it's a pain in the butt to keep these plants watered, so I'm afraid they might die. But I could do maybe some faux plants or something. I don't know. Let's see what I can get into. I'm gonna go over here and see what extra wood I have that I could possibly use without going back to Lowe's and buying more. Ooh, hello. Look at this thing, guys. Look at this big old grasshopper. These things are all over the place out here. And they fly too. What's up, buddy? All right, let's see what kind of wood I got. Let's see. This would be a good piece. Possibly. Possibly this one. This one would be better. All right, so I found these pieces of bamboo underneath there, and I was thinking something like this. Goes a little something like this. Put them up here, cross like this. Oh, the wind is blowing. Like that, all the way across. Like boom, boom, boom. Be like that underneath. Oh my God, I just thought of the coolest thing. I can get some, boom, palm fronds. Put them up there. Oh, that'll be great. Let's do this. Okay, so I just realized that I don't know how I'm gonna get over there in the thicket and get some palm fronds, unless there's a palm tree that's closer somewhere. Or these might work here. These are kind of cool. Lay these all across the top of them. There's a ton of these everywhere. Put these up top. That might work. There's a storm coming, guys. We need the rain. Laying them across up there like that, a bunch of them. I don't know, let's see. First, let's go see if we can find some palm fronds. Ooh, I see a really close palm tree right there. Ben, you wanna go for a walk? Bentley, come on. Come on, Benny. There's a palm tree right there. Let's see if we can find some. I need to find something to cut them down unless there's some on the ground already. So there's one there, but I want to get the green ones because that way they'll attach better while they're alive. And then, oh, here's some over here, some dead ones. Obviously, eventually they're gonna die, but they're so brittle when they're dead. There's a whole pile of them. Maybe I'll just use these. Thinking instead of using those bamboo sticks that I was showing you before, since these have such a long branch or stem or whatever you want to call it on there, I can use this as the brace and just kind of like overlap two of these together, and then this will be my brace down the middle, and I'll just put those up there. We'll see how that works out. Oh, and excuse the generator in the background. It's super hot out and I got the AC running right now, so hopefully that doesn't get too much in the way. Alright, so this palm frond's a little different than these other palm fronds here that are a little bit more wider on the end. This one's got different leaves on it. It's a little bit more slender and thin. So what I think I'm going to do is weave it through the ones up here and go in and out. right, guys, I am done with that, and I am ready to get into some comfy clothes and go out there in my new shaded hammock and relax and enjoy some music. And what better time to pull out my new LED Bluetooth lantern speakers that a company called On For You sent to me. So let's check it out. All right, so we got two of these bad boys. These things are heavy duty. These things are nice and durable. They're not generic or cheaply made by any means. So let's turn them on. Ooh. All right. How fun. All right, we got some lights. I can't wait till it gets darker. Let's try to connect to this. Thing cranks and it lights up to the beat of the music as well. This thing is awesome.